Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
हो व्हिडिओ पळयात. कोरोना दुयेंतींक दवरिल्लो एका हॉस्पिटलांतलो हो एक वॉर्ड. पेशंट सुसेगाद. कांय जाणांनी मास्क घातिल्लें ना. एकलो व्हिडिओ काडटा, सेल्फी घेता. कोरोना जाला म्हूण कांयच पडिल्लें ना. सुटी घालूंक हॉटेलांत गेल्ले बरी वागणूक. अशा लोकांचेर कारवाय जावची म्हूण लोक मागतात.
The attitude of the patients by posting their pictures on social media gives a wrong impression. There must be a reason the doctors have been giving you all access to social media. That is a part of the treatment, maybe a psychological way of treating you. But that doesn't mean you post pictures without mask and we are having a good time. It looks like you're on some vacation over here. See, it looks like you all are tourists over here who have come to enjoy their holidays. And for some small infection, you all are in the hospital or you all are being forced to stay in the hospital. That should not be the attitude. One way it may show people that treatment is good, there is nothing to fear. But other ways, you all are misusing the opportunity given to you for a fair treatment in a hospital where in some states, there is no proper beds available. What are you all trying to prove by this? Your attitude shows that if you are in a hospital, you all can behave like this. I wonder what will be your behavior outside.
हॉस्पिटलान घातला तर त्यांची जबाबदारी बाबा की तुम्ही का हॉस्पिटलान घातला 5 स्टार हॉटेलान घालूंक ना तो एकटो आणि तुम्ही फोटो पयला आसतलो अशी 2 बटन दाखयतात जशे कोणा सगळ्यांनी सेल्फी मारल्यात. हांव मागता गोयच्या सीएमा कडेन इवन आमचे डीजीपी आयजीपी कडेन असले जेन्ना हरकती कोण करता बाबा हॉस्पिटलान न्हिदयला आनी अशे तुमी सेल्फी मारून धाडटात हे बरे जावन घरा येयले की हेंचेर कडक कारवाई जावपाक जाय. कित्याक फकाण न्हू हे आख्खो वास्कोभर आख्खे गोंयभर पॅनीक जाल्लेले आहा कोरोनाक लागून आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक चरबी जाल्लेली अशी दिसता म्हाका.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.